Hi guys. Hi my little warriors. I had to restart the vlog because
I turned off the phone. I'm happy.
Hunter.
Well, I'm Zaya.
Trey being a goofball.
The reason you have crazy friends is because you are insane.
I know. Here's Brett. He broke his wrist.
Hi people of the internet.
Shut up, Hunter.
Yeah, but
No.
I'm Zaya.
This is YouTube, Hunter.
I know.
This is YouTube we're talking about. You gotta be serious.
Draven, what's your channel name? I'll subscribe.
Warrior.
So I.
Warrior Side Squad.
That's why I call all my peeps warriors.
What is it?
Warrior Side
Anna, which is facing, so no face.
Lovely teacher.
Anna hates
Sally. Nah. And then we got more out this way.
Guys,
Katie, come here.
show off Miss Owens.
Where's Miss Owens?
Miss Owens is right here.
This is my beautiful band teacher.
The beautiful leader of the band.
Aww.
Beautiful leader.
Our glasses fell off.
But I'm Zaya. Draven. We got Draven. I'm Zaya.
Hi, my little
Hunter.
warriors. I love vlogging.
Alright.
Is there anybody who would like, I don't want everybody to go at once. Is there anybody who would like to eat a hamburger, sandwich, and chips now?
No.
I want to go to Wendy's.
What time is it?
I do. I want to go to Wendy's. I got money.
All right.
Oh, wait a minute.
I just
Still about
sprayed
12.
myself on accident. And I got it.
Can I go to Wendy's?
Bradley.
I want to get me some chicken strips.
If she's,
I got $10. I'll pay for some of them.
if she's going to Wendy's, I can go
Yo,
for
let me
it.
vlog for a second. I promise
You got
I'll
some
run
money?
away this time.
For food?
No.
Well, then I'll go.
Draven, I want food. I'm hungry. Draven, let me vlog for a second. I promise I won't run away with your phone this time.
You better hope.
I'm gonna tell you about myself. Hey, my lunch is fabulous.
Oh yeah, this is another part of the Warrior Side Squad, which is mostly team crafted too.
Draven, can I
Yes.
close? Can I do the
Us. Please.
No. Let's
No, Brett,
Give
give me the phone.
Stop it.
That's
Okay.
Natalie.
Brett,
Someone is shipping us and it's
gang.
awful.
Yeah, help me. Help me and Hunter. We're being shipped and I don't like it.
Save us.
Yeah.
We got one.
What?
We have one. What?
Are you saying you're actually?
Hey. Let me see it for a second. I want to make fun.
I'm gonna sit my phone down.
I got one walk over and speak.
I want to
This is how we wash cars, bro.
I came all over my hand.
Oh, God, you just got it on me, bro. Here, Miss Owens. Oh, God. Well, we got our people that wash cars, so, No, can I please vlog for a second? I'll sit down, I promise. Stop it! I'm gonna vlog for a second, Brett. I'm gonna sit down and... Okay, so I'm Zaya. Part of the Warrior Side Squad.
Zaya.
What?
It's a Cadillac.
Are you still
Oh, cool.
vlogging, Zaya?
Yeah, I'm
Are
vlogging.
you sitting right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold that. Don't open it.
Okay. I'm vlogging for the internet. Money! Screw you too, Draven. Oh, yo, we have like everybody washing a car at once. This is real. Okay, so few things about myself. Favorite color is blue. I'm not single.
I'm shining the symbol.
Okay,
Cadillac.
so we're just here at like the Advanced Auto Parts store washing cars. Yeah. I'm silly. I'm clumsy too. Okay, so I'm looking around. We've washed. This is our money bag. We're LCMS band. I play trombone. Draven plays trumpet, clarinet. She used to play trumpet. I don't know. Hey, Draven, what instrument you on now? Trumpet. Oh, you're still on trumpet. Oh, cool. Yeah. This is Bradley. He's on trumpet too.
I ain't on trumpet.
Yeah, you are. Oh yeah, you had a trumpet last year. Now he's on trombone with me. Yeah. Okay, so we got Katie, she's on flute. We got Hunter, he's on clarinet. We got Trey, he's on flute. We got that psycho over there. He's on trumpet too. We got that psycho over there. She's on trumpet too.
Not a psycho. Not a psychopath.
Hey, I didn't say psychopath. I said psycho. You're welcome. I'm the psychopath. I'm the psychopathic creature.
Internet. Hunter was calling me Brett the Psycho.
Bye.
Guys, don't do the front anymore. As soon as he's done, you're going to make sure you've got the sides and the back good, okay?
I did. I made sure of that.
Yes, Make sure you get the top there.
Draven, can I get a 50-cent Frosty, please?
Stop it.
Pidgey. Hi. I'm hungry. Can we go eat?
Hello, I am Mr. Soap. I am Mr. Soap.
Okay.
I want to go eat.
What's me?
Go.
I want to go eat.
What?
Sponge people, go.
Draven, Sponge. You're Sponge.
No, you got, you know.
I have the money bag.
And I have a wall. I have a phone.
My hands are freezing.
Yeah, we're washing it. Well, they're washing it.
Yeah, I already made that clear to the peoples. The peoples of life. It's the peoples of life.
Oh, that's a truck. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah,
Guys, don't forget. Bye, my little warriors. Don't forget to subscribe to the Warriors Army. Leave a like and a subscribe.